Adding an Amex gift card to Apple Pay is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open up the amex.gift.card website. Then you have to follow the steps I'm going to describe. So to add Amex gift card to Apple Pay, your American Express gift card and other gift card can be added to digital wallets Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. After that, open the wallet or app on your device. Then, follow the on-screen instructions, including entering your card number manually or taking a picture of your plastic card. If you want to know where you can use your American Express gift card, let me tell you. So you can use your American Express gift card virtually anywhere American Express cards are accepted within the United States and District of Columbia, except the gift card may not be used for recurring billing or at ATMs. Also, you can use your American Express gift card with any United States-based online, phone, or mail order merchants wherever American Express cards are accepted. Please remember you will only be able to shop with merchants in the United States and District of Columbia. Now your gift card cannot be used for transactions requiring a physical card.